Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here real quick with a voiceover and say sorry in advance for my son in the background. You'll probably see him, you might even hear him a few times. He just really wanted to be in here with me while I did my makeup today, so sorry about that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am using the Dawson and Jeffree Star Cosmetics Conspiracy palette. This is the look I came up with. I love this palette. It is so good. I highly recommend you guys pick it up when it comes back in stock if you didn't get it when it came out or in the pre-order. But yeah, if you want to see this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so let's get started. I already did this eye off camera to kind of see where I wanted to go with the palette, and I already did my brows, so we're just going to jump in and do this eye. Please ignore the acne. I don't know what is breaking me out, but it's ridiculous. So to start off, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Alright, the first shade I'm going to go into is Not a Fact. On a MAC 242 brush, I'm going to take that shade and just pack it. Make like a V shape. Now with a Morphe M411, just going to start to blend it all out. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush with more of the shade Not a Fact, start to blow it out. Okay, now with a Morphe E22, which is another big fluffy brush, I'm going to take a little bit of Pig-ment in my pills and blend that out more. Okay, now starting with my finger, I'm going to take the shade Illuminati and put that on the outer part of my eye. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade Sleep Paralysis, put that on the inner part. I hate messing up these pans. They're so pretty. And I love the stamps that Shane picked. Okay, now I'm going to take the black, which is my rides here, and just deepen up the outer corners a little bit. Now I'm just going to put on some wing liner. Okay, now I'm going to go back into the shade My Rides here just to go over the liner. Now I'm just going to clean up any fallout.
Okay, now I'm going to do the rest of my face.
Okay, now I'm gonna go do my base makeup and I will be back. Okay, now I did my foundation, concealer, bronzer, and I curled my lashes and put on mascara. Now I'm going to tight line with a black liner and do my waterline. Okay, I'm also going to go ahead and highlight my brow bone using the Ofra Nikki Tutorials Cloud 9 highlighter. It's pink. I'm also going to take that same Cloud 9 and put it on my inner corner. Also with Ranch. Wow. That is pigmented. Alright, now for the lower lash line, I'm just going to use Not a Fact. Smudge it out. I will say you don't need a lot. This is very pigmented. You just touch it. Okay, now I'm going to go into my rides here, which is the black. Out the lash line. Okay, now I'm going to go back into Not a Fact. Just put that black out. Okay, now I'm going to take Pig-ment. Lashes. I'm going to be using the Violet Voss dgaf lashes. You don't have to apply lashes, you can just do mascara, but I just feel like this look needs false lashes. While I wait for the glue to start getting tacky, I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara to my bottom lashes using MAC Extended Play Gigablack mascara. It's the best lower lash mascara. Okay, now for blush, I'm going to go into the shade Pig-ment from the Conspiracy palette. I just seen Jeffree Star tweet about it being an amazing blush, so I'm going to give it a go. Now for highlight, I'm going to use Ranch, because why not? Oh boy. That is blinding. Okay, now I'm going to spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Now the hardest part is deciding what lip color to do with this look. First I'm going to just line my lips with a nude liner. This is Essence in the Nude. lip, I'm gonna go with Jeffree Star Family Jewels. Is the finished look using the Dawson Controversy palette with Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I will probably do at least 1 or 2 more eye tutorials using this palette. It is so beautiful and I love it so much. The colors blended so nice. I mean, Jeffree Star's formula is unbeatable. It is honestly one of the best formulas I've used. If there's any looks that you guys would want me to do, just let me know. Until next time.